Welcome, this is Haku EDC. Ever feel like you're searching for that perfect little something to bring the spark of joy to your everyday life? Well, I get it. We're going to look at the Kizer Mini Mystic today. This isn't just another tool, it's a companion designed for those small moments feel like something special. Think about these times you need to open a package, cutting some wood or styrofoam, or how about cutting rope? Or better yet, how about going out and getting a Mystic pizza? This Kizer folder combines classic style with a modern design, making it quite unique. The Mini Mystic stands out thanks to its attention to detail. Crafted from high quality materials, it features a 3.2-inch Nitro V blade, a clutch lock, and an attractive burlap-inspired inlay. You notice the difference as soon as you look at it and then as soon as you hold it. It's one of those items that quickly becomes essential and you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. The real value lies in the craftsmanship and thoughtful touches that make it life a little bit better. For your review, the Kizer Mini Mystic information is on the screen in front of you. Please stop and review if needed. If you're interested in the Kizer Mini Mystic, there's a link in the description below. It costs you nothing to click on the link and it helps the channel. If you like this video as much as I'm liking this Milky Way, please share, comment, and like the video. This is Haku EDC. I will see you in the future.